All right, we got the whole musical ensemble. Warren again, Derek.
How is it?
Hey, David. You went to the Eastern Cape and some royal family is asked for something. Tell me what happened.
Yes, I went to Eastern Cape to
Yes.
do the grave investigation
Grave investigation.
for one of the royal families. So these royal families asked Department of Art and Culture. to
Arts and
assist,
culture.
yes,
So the government paid for this, and then you were looking for graves.
Yes.
And this is the area that you
where I
scanned.
did the scanning, yes.
And this data is now being processed. But then when I walked past the two of you, what caught my eyes is, what did you say?
I just managed to locate the pipe instead of
It's
the
a
grave.
pipeline. So you stumbled across a pipeline. And Derek, just please, can you help us understand the difference between the Prosec that we're using now and the previous technology?
Well, Prosec, main advantage with Prosec is that you can obviously change the frequency, what they call step frequency.
Step frequency. So on this antenna, you are going between 40 and
720, but I changed it now.
to 720
In the
megahertz.
field, David acquired full range,
Full range is 4,000, 1,000.
40 over the max.
So he went from 40 all the way to 1,000. So
More than 1,000.
More than 1,000. So he's acquiring the data, and then you, at your own will, can manipulate and look at it. And then, I mean, I was just giggling as I was walking past, and you guys said, it's not a grave, it's a pipeline. And, you know, when we were back in the military, we used to look for landmines.
And why we also said so, because if you look at potential anomaly like this, if you're looking on the one line,
Yes.
one can say there is something, not necessarily pipe, there is something.
Right.
But because we did the grid, and we marked all of this after creating the grid.
And when you do a grid, then you're getting a longitudinal image, and you're getting lots of observations, which leads you to believe, and you say, aha, that is definitely not.
It's linear.
It's linear. It's not a grave. It's a pipe. It's a long. It must be a pipe or a utility.
Yeah.
And the choice of frequencies now to manipulate it is key to everything. And frequencies are all around us. And Warren really helps us to see that visually.
Yeah.
So music is all around us. Thanks, guys. Love your work. Thank you. Good luck with finding more graves for the royal family of the Eastern
We
Cape.
found the graves not 2 weeks ago. Eh?
Is it?
Yeah.
KwaZulu-Natal.
In Natal, KwaZulu-Natal. You know, we did a grave investigation, and it was at a hospital where they had very highly communicable diseases, and they put so much lime that our radar couldn't penetrate through the lime. Have you guys also found that?
No, well, lime is conductive.
And it is for that reason you can't see
Depends
through.
on what line they put it.
Well, there you go. From the masters himself. Thank you.